We'll go just a little pre something. Boom, boom. Mike Bossy. All right, we have the coach of Vaxhaul here, Kyle Butler. Congrats again. Big up yourself. First of all, preparations, what are they like so far?
Preparations has been good. We've had a lot of good preseason games. We started early July. The first thing we had to do is kind of change the mentality of the players to let them believe that they can do it. Then we start with the ground, principles, attacking principles, defending principles, fitness, and it's coming together, nice and well. I think that we have a very, very solid group in terms of talent and age, because everyone can play back again next year. So I think this season will be a good season for experience in terms of competing at a high level, and then next season I believe we'll be contending for sure.
For you, this is now your solo job. How you feel going into the solo mode now by yourself in a tough season because a lot of teams are preparing just as hard as you guys. So how you feeling about that?
I think we have a lot to prove, not just myself, but the players as well. And I'm always up for the challenge. I've always had a lot of bright ideas that I always wanted to express. So having the room and the opportunity, and I really have to thank Boxall for believing in me and giving me the opportunity to kind of express myself. And that is exactly what we're doing here, and the boys are buying into the philosophy. So, not more. I'm never more happy.
So this is your first competitive commission so far with Vaxhaul, right? What are your expectations for this, and what are you looking for to achieve out of it?
I'm looking for, it's pre-season, so obviously we're looking for the fitness, and with the 20-minute games, we're looking for to start well, ensuring that our philosophy is played, and just to really send a message. But we're going for the win for sure. I told them that starting from here, we want to bring back some silverware back to the school. So we will be coming in this competition confident, mentally strong, and we'll go for it all the way.
You keep on emphasizing on the mentality of the players. What did you went into the camp and see that becomes a vocal point for you to ensure that you want to change it?
No man, I went in camp and the body language of all the players was very negative in a sense. We had to change a lot of self-esteem, confidence. We had to change just the mentality of losing and turning them into winners. And we have done a lot of work with these boys. A lot of them are from inner city backgrounds. And just to let them believe that there is a path out of football, there is success for them to be done. It was a lot of work, but we still have been doing a lot of work on the sides. We've been, having them together on camp has really changed the dynamic. But, that's why you're a coach. You're not just coaching for football, but you're also coaching for life. Um, and yeah, man, we're really excited. We have, as I said, a young team, young talented bunch. We will show a lot, I believe, and I don't want to put too much pressure on them. My father is a key man that will do that, but I don't want to put too much pressure on them. I rather put pressure on myself.
Let them express it.
Yeah, let them express themselves, let them play, and whatever happens is up to God.
In regards to preparation, if you put a scale from 1 to 100, how far would you say that you're in the preparation, or you're almost hit where you want to hit?
In terms of our style of play, and I think that we're very close, around 80%. Fitness around 80%. So I think with these last 2 weeks, 3 weeks, we should have enough time to really get to another level. I've also done some recruitment from overseas to bring in some players in that quota spot, just to strengthen the team a bit. But yeah, man, we have some really talented boys.
What should the supporters of Vaxhaul expect from Vaxhaul this season?
This will be an interesting season. We'll have a lot of eyes on us, and we will prove a lot that it just takes sustained development. It takes consistency. It takes hard work, and not just the traditional high schools that can do it, but everyone can do it if you keep your talents together, implement a proper system, proper. We're looking for the word, I can't find it, but you know what I mean. Brand of football, they get me. Proper program, and the sky is the limit for that, really.
All right, coach. Big up yourself. See you in the Alley Cup and in the season. Bless up.